It's like, there's 4 grounders. Oh, that's true. It has to bounce on the ground. Say.
What, there's 4 grounders?
Yeah, that was a grounder.
Wait, for long way does that happen?
Yeah, you can't go over the wall.
Wait, are there liners in here? Or is there?
It's like liners if it hits the wall. It bounces on the ground and hits the wall. It's like liners.
Wait, so if you catch it and go over the wall, is the home run?
Yeah. So just make it like essentially good. That's called 2 outs.
Oh, that's so cool. Well, I have to reset because I was just on my bed and I'm not playing. Oh, I'm talking about it.
Foul. It's pretty good.
Oh.
Oh, see.
Is it handover or is it?
Handover.
Oh my.
Round or double.
Ground level.
Second and third.
Second and third. Liner. What is it, base order or is that
Base
run in first and third? Okay.
Foul.
Gone. Was that gone?
Nah, it hit like right here. I was figuring over. So like
Oh, okay, so that's just one run. Oh.
Where did it hit?
Was that
Did it hit right here?
I don't know, I thought it hit like right here.
I think it hit right here. I don't call
I'm
it
just
foul.
saying
I think it's foul.
I have 2 more grounders left, right?
Yeah. Alright. I scored.
I'm just gonna use my grounder.
No!
I think I have to run the base to make the play.
Yeah.
I don't know if I have to run the base.
Alright.
Grounder.
Fair. That's your last. Foul ball.
Why don't look? Yeah. Got ball.
2 outs.
Wait, so how much innings do we play?
3. Ooh, I'm good. Save basic juice. 1 more grounder left.
Austin says happy birthday.
Alright.
No!
That's a great comeback. That was pretty good. We're both good teams.
I should really be winning this right now because last season Columbus they made the World Series and now I'm like,
Oh, I must have played him then back in Complex season 7, right?
no,
Foul.
last season was season 10 and now, I'm gonna say,
Safe. Foul.
I feel like I'm moving fast, but I'm moving like,
Yeah, like, let me fix that, because, like, that's weird.
no, it's fine, man, I like it.
It's weird. Fair.
Terrible.
You're out. Gotcha.
Okay. It's still run now, so. Person on first. Oh my god. Ah, shit. Wait, is it an auto out or is it just read it?
That's out. You need to go for the legs.
Oh my
God! Holy godness! Oh, that's fair. That's safe. That was weird.
still was very weird.
Oh,
It's not like that.
nah, okay. It was like somewhere like right up here.
Okay.
So it's probably that's out. Holy God. 7-Eleven, the gas station. But yeah, if you go on the wall and you foul ball, it's like, video. Right there. Right there. You went over to there. Oh, you're like a freak. It was foul, isn't it? Foul ball. So, why? It's something weird. It's something weird. Oh, come on. It's gonna be caught. Caught. Yippies.
Horns.
No! Minor. Stay caught. Alright, second and third. He can walk it off here if he gets one of those. Foul ball.
You have to run.
That's not.
Close.
It's
First
Mitchell
third
D's.
now.
It's Mitchell D's. Yeah. Good. Three now. I didn't need three now. Oh, foul! Holy God. So, that was your last round, right?
No, I don't know where I was.
Alright. Next one, that was your last.
So,
Just, caught. Close. That is the game. Can I beat darkness for the first caught?
Hunter.
Got it.
I'm gonna have to worry. I ate the thing first. Okay.
You're ready. Okay. I know you're feeling. You're tripping. No! That is game. That's game. That's walk off, right?
Yeah.
Alright.